lockdown is not an easy thing. Exposure to them will bring me the worst. I can't stand staying home for weeks. Loneliness will kill me. I'm gonna miss you without seeing you, my darling. It started from the neighborhood, I thought it was a joke. It's here now, we better act. Stay home, stay safe. Just like the birds in the fly, we all need to be our protectors. Looking at each other in every morning, observing the laws guiding us. Wash your hands regularly. When the pandemic is over, we shall laugh again. We shall all be wounded, full of scars. We shall make up. Hope is that we shall be together again. We shall join again and laugh again. Stay home, stay safe. When the pandemic is over, we shall laugh again. We shall laugh again.